Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel Offer Amazon. Today I discuss you about best dishwashers in India 2021 buyer's guide and reviews. Before proceeding any further, one should understand the Indian kitchen contains some of the most odd-shaped vessels in the world. We are speaking about the kadhais and tawas with all their paraphernalia. Moreover, Indians use a lot of oil and spices for cooking. This makes the vessels greasier and hence difficult to clean. Hence, choosing the right kind of dishwasher can be a tough job in India. This video will help you in choosing the best dishwasher for your home. We highly recommend you to read the dishwasher buying guide at the end of the article to get in-depth knowledge about all the latest dishwasher technologies. Best dishwasher in India. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and if you buy from this link, the channel will help you. My list number 5. Faber 14 place settings dishwasher FFSD 8PR14S. Dishwashers are standard in foreign countries as compared to India. Faber has introduced an excellent dishwasher model that caters to the Indian kitchen needs. 14 kilograms capacity, 8 wash programs, 14 place setting, water consumption of 10 to 17 liters, power consumption of 1 to 1.6 kilowatts per hour, 1 year warranty. The 8 wash programs are the highlights of this exquisite dishwasher. It comprises of glass, rapid, soak, auto wash, intensive wash, normal wash, eco wash and 90 minutes wash. Faber has engineered this device to meet Indian standards. The 3D wash technology ensures to remove masala, oil and black stains comfortably. It uses 3 spray arms to maximize the spray to all the corners of the appliance. Thus, it saves up to 15% time while delivering an excellent outcome. This Faber dishwasher is an energy-saving device as it consumes the least energy to complete a high-profile job. The auto wash feature is an innovative one where the machine decides the amount of water required for cleaning the vessels. The dual-zone wash option is an excellent one, as you can target the cleaning to a selected area of the machine instead of having a full dishwasher load. Faber dishwashers enable hot water washing up to 69 degrees Celsius, ideal for washing dishes hygienically. The appliance comes with an extra drying option to cater to plastics, glasses and other crockery. Generally, dishwashers make a lot of noise. Faber is different as it works at a sound level of 44 decibels. Some of the other exciting features include the delay start feature to enable you to schedule the child lock feature ensures that children do not tamper with the settings. Pros: excellent performance, hot water wash is a hygienic option. Adequate number of wash cycles. Cons: bottom thali unit is not suited for Indian kitchen requirements. The machine consumes a lot of time. Dishwashing detergent is expensive. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. My list number 4. Boss 12 place settings dishwasher SMS66GW01i. This Boss dishwashing machine is similar in many ways to one of the models discussed earlier. While making your job of washing your kitchen utensils easy, this machine has an exquisite design that can enhance your kitchen's ambience to a different level. 12 place setting, ideal for Indian families having 6 members. 6 wash programs, noise levels of 52 decibels. Exciting features: 2 years manufacturer warranty with the Boss dishwashing machine standing in your kitchen. You need not pre-rinse, wash or dry your utensils. It will take care of every aspect of dishwashing. This dishwasher has a unique kadhai washing program that can clean your oily and masala stained kadis and other utensils at a push of a button. The hygiene wash ensures to heat the water up to 70 degrees before beginning the wash cycle. This machine comes equipped with 12 place settings that enable you to comfortably place your utensils of different sizes. The additional cutlery drawer can prove handy if you have more cutlery to wash. The top basket is perfect for loading your delicate crockery. This machine handles your glass and porcelain crockery with the extreme care they deserve. The bottom basket is sufficient to place your larger utensils like plates, pans and kadhais. The spray arms shoot water at high pressure and from different angles to thoroughly clean your vessels and ensure there is no residue. The filter system ensures that the food scraps do not enter the pump and damage it. Thus, you get a hygienic wash every time. This Boss dishwasher's unique aspect is that it comes with a dedicated detergent dispenser that helps in rinsing your dirty vessels. The Rinse Aid dispenser prevents the water from forming droplets on the utensils and helps in quick drying. This Boss dishwasher saves water up to 80% compared to a manual wash. Pros: ideal for Indian conditions as the design suits Indian vessels, saves water, incredible performance, especially in removing stubborn stains. Cons: Not the ideal machine to use when you have high TDS content in source water. Customer service leaves much to be desired. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, my list number 3, LG 14 place settings Wi-Fi dishwasher DFB424FP. LG introduces a fantastic range of dishwashers to suit the Indian homemakers' requirements perfectly. Besides delivering an impeccable performance, LG dishwashers come with a sleek and modern design to add the glamour touch to your kitchen. 14 place settings perfect for Indian utensils. 9 wash programs, 4 washing arms, low noise levels of 44 decibels, 2 years warranty. Range of exciting features. Hot water is the best solution to remove stubborn stains from utensils. This LG dishwasher has a true steam option to ensure that hot water reaches every utensil's entire surface inside the tub. Thus, you have sparklingly clean dishes with the steam, also reducing water spots on the vessels. 9 different wash programs make your job of washing your utensils easy. Some of its unique features include multi-directional rotation, foldable tines, easy height adjustment, and 4 washing arms. The quad wash feature enables washing the dishes from every possible angle. The multi-motion spray arms and high-pressure jets provide the maximum coverage to clean your utensils thoroughly without residue. Loading and unloading your vessels is comfortable on this dishwasher. The racking system is flexible as it can shift to handle any challenge your dishes pose to it. This machine comes with 14 place settings that allow you to place utensils of different shapes and sizes. Thus, you can clean all your utensils in one go and save water. This LG dishwasher works on an indirect, direct drive motor designed to work noiselessly. This machine has fewer moving parts, whereby it makes as little noise as possible. The LG dishwasher is compatible with a smartphone app, SmartThinQ, that connects to the device using Wi-Fi and helps control and operate it smoothly from anywhere. Pros: a range of exciting wash programs, including the steam wash option. It saves water compared to your manual washing, ideally manufactured with Indian utensils in mind. Cons: it can be a bit hard on your pocket. There is no auto restart feature that can prove handy during a power cut. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. My list number 2, Boss 12 place settings dishwasher SMS66GI01i. Boss brings the best of German technology to dishwashers. The best aspect of this 12 place setting Boss dishwasher is that it is perfectly suited for Indian utensils. It comes with fascinating features. 12 place settings, suitable for families with up to 6 persons. 6 wash programs, noise levels of 52 decibels, 2-year warranty. Special features included: if you love to get germ-free, clean, and dry utensils at the push of a button, this Boss dishwasher should answer all your questions. It comes with 6 wash programs perfected for Indian utensils. The intensive kadhai program is ideal for cleaning oily and masala-stained kadhais and other typical Indian utensils. Hygienic wash heats water to 70 degrees Celsius to eliminate up to 99.99% of germs and bacteria. This dishwasher uses 9.5 liters of water for its entire washing cycle, whereas a manual job could use up to 60 liters. The Express Sparkle program cleans and dries the utensils in under 60 minutes. This Boss dishwasher is convenience personified, as it is easy to operate. There is no need to pre-rinse the kitchen utensils before placing them inside the appliance. This machine handles your delicate crockery better than any other device and prevents breakage. It comes with a unique half-load feature that saves energy, water, and time. The value speed option allows cleaning the dishes in the shortest possible time. The Aqua Sensor setting uses a light beam to sense the soiling level and adjusts water usage accordingly. If you have heavily soiled vessels, the extra powerful program proves handy. Switching over to the Boss dishwasher is the best gift you can give your better half. Pros: an extensive range of wash programs to suit Indian utensils, handles your crockery and glassware with care, saves water while delivering an excellent cleaning job. Cons: the machine does not feature a stand, whereby you have to bend every time you put utensils in the lower tray. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 1, Voltas Beko 8 place tabletop dishwasher DT8S. Voltas is a reputed name in the Indian market that signifies quality along with the safety of the highest order. You can observe the same traits in this magnificent dishwasher. 8 place settings, 6 wash programs, 2 years warranty on the product, 5 years for the motor, 2 spray levels. The compact dishwasher can fit into any kitchen size without occupying much space. It can also sit atop the counter near your sink and still look beautiful. Placing it below the counter can free up valuable space on the counter to use otherwise. The efficiency of a dishwasher depends on the number of wash programs. The Voltas Beko comes with 6 wash programs comprising of Intensive, Normal, Eco, Glass Care, Clean and Shine, and Mini 30 feet program. Thus, you have programs to cover all types of dishes in the house. One of the best aspects of this dishwasher is the hot water wash facility available in the Intensive Wash program. It provides for superior cleaning and hygienic washing of your utensils using powerful water jets at a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. The Clean and Shine option is ideal for washing your crockery items and glassware. The settings are such that the crockery does not collide with each other during the wash cycle. They come out intact and sparklingly clean. This dishwasher has 2 racks. Water gushes out in 2 different sprays at different levels in the upper and lower shelves to ensure a complete wash. Pros: adequate washing cycles for various kinds of vessels, easy to install, excellent performance. Cons: some of the cycles take a long time for completion. It requires some time for people to understand the controls. We have just seen some of the best dishwashers available that can suit the Indian kitchen. Purchasing and installing one in the kitchen right away should not be an issue. Maybe the housemaid might not appreciate the idea. The quintessential husband might have his moments of grief. However, the woman of the house deserves this appliance more than anything else. It allows her to stamp her authority all over the place once again. Have a nice day.